Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to take smart notes in Notion that help you actually remember and use your ideas. First, open your Notion workspace. Create a new page or database dedicated specifically to your notes. Instead of just writing long paragraphs, we'll use a consistent structure. Start by always adding a clear title and a one-sentence summary at the top. This forces you to capture the core idea next. Use the call-out block for the main takeaways or key quotes. This makes the most important information visually stand out. Then, create a section in your own words labeled My Thoughts or Connections. This is crucial. It's where you explain why the idea matters and how it links to other things you know. Finally, add relevant tags. Use tags for the topic, project, or source. This makes it incredibly easy to find and connect related notes later using the database filter and sort features. And that's it. By using this simple structure title, summary, key points, your thoughts, and tags, you transform passive notes into a powerful knowledge base. If you found this system helpful, let me know what you're studying in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.